with the DevOps mock interview day 16. Already we have updated 15 videos. If you are missed, you can go and check out this playlist. There will be DevOps interview question and answers. And one more thing. So next mock interview will be day 17. So if you want a day 17 video, so I need an at least 50 likes in this video, 50 to 100 likes. So if I get that 50 to 100 likes, definitely I will update and I will publicly share the day 17 mock interview. If I don't get any likes, so it's not possible because we are investing, right? Veda and Sai also, they are taking their time to attend this mock interviews. So if you want the next video, definitely you need to like. So yeah, let's continue. So yeah, hi Veda, please introduce yourself. Just tell me you don't reveal any company. You tell your genuine experience, but with your fake name and fake details.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, hello. My name is Veda, and I have 5.2 years of experience in DevOps. Throughout my career, I have worked extensively in various DevOps tools for the development and operation process. And my expertise includes Git. I have managed for version control and source code management, and I worked on Jenkins to implement and maintain CI/CD pipelines to automate the build, test, and deployment uh, process to improve the productivity and reduce the errors. I have worked on a Docker for with the help of the Docker, we are deploying the application to the containers, and we are enabling the consistent in environment across the development, testing, and the production stages. And I worked on Terraform. With the help of the Terraform, we have created the infrastructure using Terraform with easily. And I worked on the SonarQube. I have integrated the SonarQube into the Jenkins to for the code quality gate checks. And I worked on for some other monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana. With the help of the Prometheus, we are collecting the logs, and with the help of the Grafana, we are virtualizing those logs. And I have exposure of I have worked on the AWS services like EC2, RDS, VPC, and S3 buckets.
Okay, you have experience in AWS with DevOps,
Yes,
right? Oh,
yeah,
that's great. Thank you so much.
yes, thank
So yeah, hi Sai. Can you able to introduce yourself?
I, I myself as I like I have overall 3 years experience in DevOps tools. Like I have completed graduate in total in Bangalore University. And coming to my skill set, I have hands-on experience in Linux and Git also. Git is for source code management, and I have experience like in Maven, just like a build tool. I'm a good at Jenkins. Jenkins is automated tool for continuous integration and delivery. And I used to write I have experience on AML files. I'm good at knowledging monitoring tools like Grafana and Prometheus. And coming to the cloud, I have AWS, I have experience like EC2, VPC, RDS is like database. And coming to like after I have experience in Docker also. Docker is for visualization and continuous tool for tool. That's it.
Okay. What about Kubernetes?
Yeah, Kubernetes yeah, I have experience. I have hands-on experience on that.
Okay. How much
I work on
experience you
that
have in Docker and Kubernetes?
3 years for.
Docker 3 years, Kubernetes also three
Yes,
years.
yes, yeah.
That's great. Veda, do you have experience in Docker and Kubernetes?
yes. I have over around 2 years of experience in Kubernetes, and I worked for Docker around 3 years.
Oh, that's great. So majorly, I will let's have a session on Docker and Kubernetes itself for today. Okay,
Okay.
and it will be like interactive session, and I will ask you to write a script. It's okay, right? You can able to write a script.
Yes.
This is
That's great. So, like, who want to share your screen? Anyone? Uh, don't share. I'm just asking. Who are going to share the screen in both of you?
Mm, yeah, I will share my screen.
Okay. So, Sai, you can able to help him. Like, if he cannot able to write or anything, you can help him. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, first question, like how do you create a Docker file for Node.js application? So I want you to write a Docker file, right, for the
Yes.
Node.js application. Write it. Share your screen and write a Docker file for Node.js application. Okay, today morning also we have discussed right on Java application. I have
Yes. Yes.
shown you how to write a Docker file for Java application. Now I'm expecting you to write for a Node.js. So how you will write the steps and explain me the instructions.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah. First, we are writing a Docker file with from from is used to collect the from base image. We are collecting the node. We are giving the Node.js application, right? We are collecting the information from base image of Node.js
Okay. As we are deploying
and
the Node.js
working direct.
application, we are taking the image which is related to Node.js. So in this Node.js,
Node.js.
we will be having the dependencies for the application. You need to tell like this. If they like
Okay.
normally whenever you are writing, so what are the application we are going to deploy? It's Node.js. As it is Node.js, we need a Node.js
Dependencies.
dependencies. So we are
Dependencies.
taking an image which in this image we will have all dependencies. Okay.
Working directory. We can specify in which directory we need to work on that.
Okay.
In
Default directory.
default directory.
Okay. Okay. I
We are
got it.
using like user. In user, we have using the source folder. In that, we have creating an app,
Okay.
and we are copying the package from local to the working directory.
Okay.
For that, we are using copy command. Copy.
Okay.
Uh,
What's the
uh,
difference between this add and copy?
Copy. It used to only copy the files, while the add means if we given any URL means it will download and download the download the file, and it will automatically copy into the source destination.
Okay. It will
Or else,
copy. Okay. Add only downloads the file.
no, it will download and copy the file.
Okay. It will download and copy the file.
Copy the file. Or else we can best example like if you have any jar file means it will extract it will extract that jar file and they copy directly into the source folder.
Okay. What's the difference in this? Both are copying the file.
No, but in copy command, it's only copying that. If you have any jar file, means it will only copy that jar file into the source destination. But in add command, it will untar that file and it will copy that untar file.
Okay. Side. I didn't
Yes, yes.
understand what like whatever the Veda said. So add will
See,
download
like
the
coming to
file. Copy will copy the file. But
copy from
I
local
want to
file to
know the
target.
difference.
Yes,
What is the
like
difference?
coming to the copy command, like it will extract it will extract the jar file and it will copy from local to target.
Okay.
When come to the add command, like these are the same, but it only copy and paste it. That's it. Like local repository to target repository.
Add also do the
Sorry,
same.
which one?
Yes, yes. Both are same, but copy will extract. That's it. Sorry, add will extract that one. That's it.
Okay. Whether you want to try, what's the difference between this copy and add? You are right. I'm not telling you are wrong. You are right, but you are
Uh,
telling add and copy the file. But I'm asking the difference.
the major difference is while copy and add means the copy here we are using copyright. We are
Yeah.
declaring the package some package name. It
Okay.
will only copy that package name from local to the source destination only. Okay.
Okay.
For suppose if we are using add command means if we have given any URL for suppose if we need to download any software from internet means if we can give that URL directly into the add command, it will download that file and we can specify that which source destination we need to copy that file at that for that destination it will copy that I mean it will copy the file.
Okay,
Add the file.
add will only download from internet. Copy will only
Down
copy from
add
local.
add means it will download and copy
Yes,
into the
yes,
source
that's what I'm
destination,
telling. From the internet, it will download and it will copy into the particular destination.
particular destination.
Copy
Copy
will
means it will
only
only copy.
copy the local files.
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Add only downloads from internet and it will copy, right?
And local to destination,
Mm,
yes.
yes. And it will
The
unzip
main
also. It
difference
will do
is
unzip also.
copy will only work for local copy. Add supports both local as well as internet. You can copy the files from l- same like from local to inside the container or from internet from URL. That's the difference.
Okay.
You are telling copy will copy from local, right? Add will download from internet. Add supports both local as well as internet. Copy only supports local. That's the difference you need to explain in the interview.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. This one I have repeated multiple times. Okay, continue. You can continue.
Run command is used to execute the bash
To
commands.
run the application.
We are to run the application. We are using the run npm install. Just give me a
To
second. I'm
run.
getting a call. I'm
Okay,
getting
no
a call.
issues. Yeah, you mute yourself. Okay, Sai. So
Yes, Paul.
using run we can able to run the application.
Yes.
Okay, using CMD what you will do?
When the container is running, on that time, CMD will be running. That's it.
Okay, then if the CMD is running, then application will run, right?
Yeah, run will list it will be starting from the run command will be starting from like when the container is uh, like one second. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming to the run command, it will run the application, and when coming to the CMD, when the content is started, at that time CMD will start.
Okay, run
Um,
also will run the application. CMD also will run the application.
yes, yes. But
Both are same.
difference is when the container is running, same time the CMD will be running.
Okay, today we have discussed about run instruction. If
Yes,
I
yes.
mm, if
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was
yeah.
not wrong. At a time what I said, what is the use of run?
Yeah, when the executing run command, application will be running from starting.
Okay,
Yes.
let's Veda come, then we can continue from there. Okay.
Okay.
So like simple next question. Okay, let's continue for the next question. Okay, how do you build and run a Docker image from the Docker file you created? I'm repeating the question again. How do you build and run a Docker image from the Docker file you created? There is a
Firstly,
Docker
I'm used
file.
to
Okay,
yes.
how you build that Docker file, and after Docker image created, how you will run that using the Docker image.
Okay. When coming to the Docker file, we used to give some suitable
Docker file is
text
ready.
files.
Docker file is
Okay,
ready.
okay,
Next
okay.
step. Docker file is
Like
ready.
after,
How you will build it and how you will run it. That's it.
actually use the command Docker build run command for to build image.
Sorry,
When the
Docker
image is
build,
Docker build image name.
Docker build image name.
Yes. Docker
Okay.
run hyphen, Docker run hyphen t Docker image.
Okay. Docker build
I, I,
image name.
I,
How you will give the image name? What is the command?
if it is you want to
Can you
start
text me
execute.
the command how to create a Docker
Yes,
using
yes,
image if you want to build just text me in the chat the command,
Okay.
and as well as to run a container using that image.
Yep.
Yeah. Hi. Sorry.
Yeah, Veda. So now Sai is telling that run will use it to run the application. So then I asked him what CMD will do. So he's telling CMD will also run the application. So now I'm asking, is this both the same?
No. No.
Yeah.
Run command is used to execute the commands while building the Docker image.
Super. Yeah, that's what
While
Sai today we have
CMD is
discussed in the morning.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, run will only execute the commands.
CMD is used for the default executable values. Right? We can override the CMD values
Not
using CLI.
default. CMD is used to run the application. The
Run
command
the
to run the
application while
application. CMD will only start the application. Run will download or execute some commands whichever necessary to run that application. Nothing but simply it will execute a commands. But Sai, you said Docker. Is this correct, Veda? He just texted a command in the chat.
To build up.
Docker. You said Docker build Docker image, right? But you have given now minus IT, but you didn't said when I ask. Okay, explain me. Is this correct? Is this right, Veda? Whatever the command he has shared, can just check.
I,
Is it
I
right?
didn't build. Yeah, it's right. It will act like interactive mode. Docker image. Yeah, it's right.
Okay, once Google it, how to create a Docker image.
Docker build hyphen
No, no, once Google it. You said right, right? Once
t,
Google it and check the command.
Docker image.
Sorry, I cannot able to hear you. Sai, can you able to hear Veda?
Voice is distant, like not
Yeah,
clear. Voice is
there
not
is a
clear.
voice break. Okay, how to create a Docker image? Just Google it.
I think my internet is very slow. Yeah. My internet is very low, very slowly. I don't know what happened. Am I
Okay.
audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Now check the command which shared by Sai. Is it correct? In the chart, he has shared the command, right? Now observe that command. Is it correct? No, I'm telling you to check the command which Sai has shared.
Uh, here it is. We have a spelling mistake
Yeah,
build,
but
and
during first time you said it's correct. You need to monitor the. But by seeing that I got it. I have identified
yeah,
it's wrong.
I also got it, but is no.
But you need to
I
tell,
think I
right?
thought like it no difference. Correct.
Why no difference?
I
If the
thought like
command
it will.
if the command is wrong, obviously you will get an error. So then it's that you are a fake. If you don't know a command to create an image, then obviously they will treat you as a fake, right? Because you don't know simple command to create a image. Then obviously they will think that you doesn't work in DevOps and you just
Docker.
learn this DevOps from somewhere else and you are coming and attending interview, right? If I did a silly mistake, obviously opposite person will say think like that itself, right? Because right
Yeah, correct.
daily I'm working in Docker. Will I do mistake
No,
like this
it's
simple
it's
command? No, I will never do that. It's a simple command. So, Sai, whenever you are practicing, right, you observe the commands and spellings. It's important
Yes,
to
boss.
create. Okay, how to run a container? Do you know the command?
Are you asking me or
No,
Sai?
Sai, Sai.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just,
Yes,
just
boss.
share in the chart.
Yeah.
Let it open. Let it open.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I might be rude, but
No, no, no,
it
no, no,
will
no.
help
You
you
should
out.
be, yeah, you should be like this only.
Yeah.
Okay, Docker run.
20.
Is it correct?
Sorry. One second.
Docker run -it, it will go in interactive mode, and we can give the port number as well, in which port we need to expose.
It's okay. It's
Um,
okay. But still, Sai, you have did the mistake. Docker run minus t. This command also wrong, and
far
you will get an error. And you have given Docker run. This is correct, Veda. Docker run. Okay, minus t has done the mistake. Then after,
-20. -21.
no, image name we need to give,
yeah,
not container name. We need to
Yeah,
give
yeah.
after running the container. I mean, we run the container only. We container name will display, right,
you need to
after the
give the
building the
image
image.
name. Then only the
Image name
container will be created. So,
created.
Sai, you are wrong. So, it's a simple command which we already discussed today morning, right? It's a very simple command for creating a image and creating a container. Okay, okay, Veda, I've just asked him a question. That is the second question. How do you build and run a Docker image from a Docker file you have created? Now imagine, Veda, whatever the Docker file you have written, it's over, it's completed. Now
Okay,
I am
yeah.
giving you a task. That is second question. What are the Docker file you have right now, right? Open that Docker file.
Still, I haven't finished.
No, no,
Okay.
no, no issues. Think that your file was Docker file was ready. Now your task was to create a image out of it. How you will create it?
Yeah.
And once the
Docker,
image is ready, I want you to run a container out of that image.
Docker build
Okay,
uh, -t,
okay,
and my image name. My image name was I will give
okay,
node
okay,
app,
okay.
and we are writing a Docker file. Use we are giving the name to that file is
You
a
don't
Docker file,
give
right?
any
That
version.
we can give
Yeah, it's important. You need to give that. In real time also they will
I,
maintain
or
some
else it will take
versions.
latest image. Yeah, okay, fine.
No, no. In real
It will
time,
be V1,
you will use
and
tags, right?
yes,
You need
Yes, boss.
to treat that you are already worked in DevOps in real time. So at that time, you obviously there will be some tags. You will not blindly take latest. If you give the latest, how you will develop the application next version?
yeah, correct.
Yeah. Okay.
And we can give
What is the
the
meaning of this
file,
Docker
like if
minus
we are
t?
saving that file
What is minus t?
it will build the image
Okay. Minus t.
uh, with the name uh,
Minus t full form.
-t means,
Terminal.
Psi.
yeah, yeah,
Terminal.
Sorry.
sorry, I forgot
What is
that. I
minus
think
t? You can Google it, Sai. Y- Whenever Veda is not
Terminal.
answering, right? You need to Google it and you need to answer that. What is minus t?
Terminal, boss.
Sorry.
Terminal.
Okay.
One second.
Minus t is nothing but tag.
Okay.
Docker build minus t, nothing but tag of image name.
Tag tag.
Yeah. Remember this. In the interview, if they ask what you will tell terminal. Minus t is nothing but terminal. If you
No.
don't know, right, just exactly I'm not aware of it. So normally minus t nothing but we are giving the image name, but the abbreviation of that I'm not exactly not aware. So if you tell whatever come to your mouth, it will create a bad impact.
Tag tag.
They will laugh. What he is telling minus t is terminal. Okay, then image is ready. What is the Docker file path? You didn't mention, right? Where is the Docker file path?
Uh,
Maven.
Varlib Docker.
No, no, Docker build minus t, you have given the image name, but you didn't mention the Docker file path, I'm telling.
Here, for suppose if you are saving the Docker file like name as a Docker file, it will
Okay.
automatically take we giving the dot means it will automatically
Okay, okay,
take
I
that
got
file.
it. Okay, okay. You have given dot. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Once image is
Uh,
created, super. Now, how you will create a container out of it?
Docker run hyphen d means it is detached mode. It will run in background,
Oh, super.
and
Okay.
hyphen it it
What
will
is
run in the
just a moment? Sai, what is minus d full form?
Detachment
Means
means it will run in background also. Front and back.
what is
What is
attached
the
mode?
process?
What is attached mode?
It will run in only front side.
Okay. What is the command to run in attached mode?
Hyphen I.
Hyphen I. Okay. Do you know Veda?
no, I'm not aware of that.
You
Mostly
just you should not give
we
minus
are
d.
using the detached mode in background.
Yeah,
Right?
Docker run image name. That's it.
Minus d.
Doc,
Yeah, 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 correct, correct.
Docker run. That's it.
If
You
we are
will
not
remove the
giving the
minus
minus d
d,
means it will
and you should not give minus it as well. It is nothing but what is minus it? Sai,
interactive mode.
interactive means
Friendly.
You're asking me or SI?
both.
To integrate like terminal and
Integration.
not not not. No.
Okay. Veda, what is minus it? Is it integration?
Interactive mode,
Interactive mode. Okay. What is that? Interactive mode
which
means
means no, no, interactive.
sorry.
Let me.
You said interactive mode, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What is interactive mode? What it will do? It will log in
Oh,
inside a container.
con-
That is what it will do, right?
correct, correct.
Yeah. Why you are confusing? Minus it is nothing but interactive. Interactive nothing but you will log in inside a container. If you want to log in inside a running container, or whenever you create any container, if you want to log in before once created it, if you want to log in inside a container, you will use minus it. Okay. Now I want you to write a command. There is one container is running. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I want to log in inside that container. What is the command? One container. I'm not telling you to create a container. Already one container is running in my local system. Okay, with a name called as node app v1. Same, whatever name you are given. I want to log in inside a container on running container.
Node app v1. Uh,
I'm not, that's what I'm telling. I'm not telling you to create a container. I'm
no,
telling you to log in inside a container which is already running. If you give docker container minus minus name, with that name it will create a container. I'm not telling you to create a container. I'm telling you to log in inside a container with a name
Doc-
node app v1.
Docker EX is contained by
Super.
giving that command
You are right, Sai. Sai, help him. Tell him the command.
EX
Okay. Docker exec. Then after,
container name,
that's
image
it.
name. Yeah,
Docker exec image name. Right? Right, Sai?
this one.
Okay. Whether what is the command? Is it image name? Like what you will give?
Container ID
Container ID or
or
container
container
name,
name
right?
also.
Because I am logging, I am want to
Yes.
log in inside a container. So if I want to log in inside a
Yes.
container, I will give container name or image name.
Or container. Yeah.
No, no.
Container
Container
name.
name or container ID.
Yeah, but Sai, you said image name, right? I want to log in inside a container, and I have to mention you that my container name was this. So then I will log in into my container with that name, or I will give the image name.
Container name or container ID.
Okay, but you said image name. Okay, how you will log in by Docker exec container name bin bash. Okay, is it login to the container? This command is right. Once Google it. How to log into a running container? Just Google it. How to log in into a running container. Okay, open that. Come down. Come down. Yeah, there is a command, right? What is the command?
Docker
Hmm?
EX
Okay,
ECIT
exec.
IT container name and
Yeah.
IP
Now
address.
compare the command with your command. Whether match this with your command. What is missing?
This one is missing interactive mode and we are IP address.
Just now, a few minutes back, I told you, right? Minus IT nothing but interactive mode. What minus IT will do? It will log in inside a container. Now I'm telling you to log in inside a container, but without giving minus IT, how it will log in inside a container? And if you watch the recording, right, I already explained this. If you want to log in inside a running container, the command is docker exec minus IT container name. Did I told in the class or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
We already said.
Okay. Shall we go to third question?
Yeah, sure.
yes.
So how do you persist data generated by a Docker container? Now you have created a container. Container is running. Now I want to persist the data. Nothing but I want to preserve the data. What are the present inside my container? How you will preserve that?
Uh,
If container was failed, whatever data I have created inside that container, it will be lost. Now I want to preserve that container. How you will do that?
we can attach the extra volume. With that, in that volume, we can store the data,
Okay, super. You are right.
uh, which
How
means
you will do that?
in
How you will do that?
Docker, I can
Create a container with a volume.
volume
Just give a command. Now create a
the
container with the attached volume.
Docker run hyphen D detached mode, hyphen
Sai,
IT and interactive,
simultaneously you can Google it. In the back end, you can
hyphen
Google it and you can help Veda.
Yes.
port.
So I should not tell you. You need to participate.
I volume is hyphen V. We are giving the volume,
You just
and
open a new tab. Whatever I'm asking, Google it. If Veda is not able to answer, you can take that chance.
and we need to give path as well, I guess.
What is the volume type you are using? How many types of volumes are
First,
there?
persistent volume.
Three types one. Like it is
Okay,
bind is a default one.
okay. Bind mount. Okay. Another one. Veda bind mount. What are the volume types? Bind mount, volume mount, TMPFS mount. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, what bind mount will do? Bind mount will give the path, any path in your local system. It will use that path as a volume. Yes or no?
Yes.
Volume mount will be under the control of Docker, var lib
The,
Docker. Yes or no?
yeah.
TMPFS mode, which will store in the RAM of the system, which we will never use in real
It
time.
will. It's a temporary.
Yes, it's a temporary. TMPFS, nothing but temporary file system.
File
Yes or
system.
no?
Yeah.
So that is no use. Now we want to preserve the data. So obviously we will not use temporary volume.
We can use bind mount or a volume mount. We can
Yes.
use a bind mount.
Now which type
It,
of volume you want to use right now?
bind mount.
Okay, then complete the command.
We need to give the path.
I didn't understand why you are using minus D. You are telling to run that container in the background and you are giving minus IT as well. Either you need to tell one, either you want to run it as in the background or you want to run it in the interactive mode. You cannot give the both at a time.
mm,
So how was the interview? Going step by step or not? I started with Docker file. Then after I told you to create a image. Then after I told you to create a container. Then I am telling you to preserve that
Login
container.
to yes.
So is this helpful or not?
yes.
Helpful.
Yeah. So I am doing my best. Even in 10 minutes I can able to generate questions which will help you. So you need to work in backend. We today we have started mock 30 minutes late. So at that time you can, I'm not telling within 30 days 30 minutes you will not get, but you will be having 2 days of time. This mock used to conduct on Friday. It's cancelled to Saturday. Then it's Sunday. Now it's Monday. In these 2 days you can practice because you know I will going to ask you questions on Kubernetes or Docker. Okay, complete the command, Veda. You don't need to stop. Complete the command.
Mm,
I don't know. This video is going too much long. Today video. Still we are under which one? Third question. Still we have 7 more questions to complete. Okay, complete it. I need to upload this mock interview in 2 parts. Okay, no issues. I will update in 2 parts. At least let us complete 5 questions. After 5 questions, I will stop the recording and so next part, if you want, like whoever watching this video, if you want the next part, second part, I want a 50 likes in this video. If I get a 50 likes, I will upload the second part. If not, I will skip the second part. It's depend upon you. If you want the second part, At least give a 50 to 100 likes in this video. Okay, Veda, continue.
I guess this is the part.
Okay, okay, path and what is that V1?
A tag. This is the app name. I mean, the application name. We are giving the tag as a version one.
Okay, one Google it. How to map a volume. Once Google it, or once think and write the command. Then after Google, you that is wrong. Totally wrong. Whatever you have written. How to map a volume to a container. Sai, you want to help him? Do you know Sai or you don't know?
Anyone.
Sorry.
Anyone.
Okay, okay. So Veda, don't search. He will help you. So now what is the wrong in this Sai? Help him. Open the notepad, Veda. So whatever he has written, is it correct?
Yeah.
No one like hyphen D under him and even port.
Okay.
I also do like hyphen IT for interactive mode and
No, I am asking to map a volume, not about interactive mode, not -T. Do you know how to map a volume? Because I want to
yeah.
persist the data while creating the container. Before itself, I want to persist the data. So at that time, how you will do that? That's the that's the question. So now Veda wants to map his local file system to a container. So
Yeah.
how is it correct whatever he has mentioned?
No.
-V, he has given the what is the path? What is your path, Veda? Host path, container path. Give at least correct path, Veda. What host path, container path? Is it your folder path? I'm not understanding. You can give slash,
Host
right? Slash at least
path
tmp,
is path.
right? Slash tmp or some folder name. It will be easy, right? Easy whenever you
Uh,
and it should understand the opposite person. Whenever you are writing something, right? It should be
name like
you no like give the path -V as slash tmp,
Name
right?
convert.
Slash demo. Take that path as your
user
no like what you are doing. I'm not getting. Okay, then Google it. Okay, let's not waste our time. Google it.
src.
I'm telling you to write slash tmp slash demo. It will be easy, right? In the temp directory, there will be a demo folder. It will be mapped as a volume. Do you getting my point? I am telling you to give the path as slash tmp slash demo. It will go to a temporary directory and it will choose a demo. You have given. Okay, Google it. Okay, Google it. Okay, Veda has left. Sai, do you want to share your screen?
Yes, one.
Okay, share your screen and open the notepad. Dismiss, dismiss. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, open the notepad.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Veda. Hi.
Actually,
Or you
sorry,
can Google
my
it.
network is not.
If you know, write down Sai. If you don't know, you can Google.
Yes. I'll Google it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, copy that. So just show to Veda.
Yeah.
Can you increase the font size so that it will be visible to audience whoever watching this video or in the same way? Okay, thank you so much. Now you can see Veda. Docker run -80 nothing but interactive mode -v. He has given the path -v nothing but what is -v? My data nothing but it's a volume name. Which volume type it's a volume type my data colon slash app slash data. Nothing but my data is the volume name. This volume is mapping to the slash app slash data inside a container. Okay, whatever the present data present in the slash app slash data, it will be copied to the my data folder. Okay, and now you are giving the image name. Using that image name, it will create a container, and whatever the data present inside this path, it will be mapped to this my data volume. Okay, now open the article that open the article where Sai, which you have from where you have copied that, right? Open that article.
This one.
Okay, come up, come down, come down. So if you see what he had done, zoom it, come up, come up. So what he has did, come down. Go step by step. I don't know.
Yes.
Go step by step. Okay.
First, I
So
created the
what he has
value.
done, yeah, he has created
This
a
is the
volume
name, my
called as
data.
my data.
Yes.
Okay, now he is mounting that my data volume to the container
In-
where he is
Yes.
mapping in the app slash data directory inside a
Yes.
container. So this article is helpful or not? Take a time, then after bind mount. Now Veda wants to do the bind mount. Come down, come down,
This is blind mode.
come down.
This is blind mode. Yeah.
Yeah, then -v. Copy this, copy this. Now Veda, like whatever the command you have written, right? Veda, you compare this with your command. Okay, -v path to data colon slash app slash data. So what you have given path and image name version, but you didn't given the path where you want to map inside the container. You know you should map, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Come down, Sai. Yeah, come down.
That's it. That's it, one. Nothing
Okay,
is.
this article is helpful. You can share in the chat. So in the interview, it will
Yes.
helps a lot. So even for upcoming batch, right? I will use it and I will explain them. And I might use this same article for the next mock interview as well. So in the next mock interview, when I ask you the same question again, will you do the mistake?
No.
No, no.
Okay. Yeah, please share it in the chat. I will kept. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
thank you. Let me save this. Copy link address. I will open my notepad. Shall we go to next question? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Next will be how do you inspect the logs of a running Docker container? Now you have preserved the data. Now the container is stopped working. Now how you will inspect the logs of a running Docker container? Open the
Uh,
notepad. Open a notepad. Now tell how you will inspect the logs of a running container. Logs. I want a logs of a container. Veda?
Docker logs,
Okay,
container ID
super. You are right. Like that, whenever you enter Docker logs container ID, you will get the logs.
logs.
So depending upon that, you will troubleshoot. Right?
Yes, yes.
Super. So how do you link two Docker containers? There are two containers. You want to link one container to another container. This is the tough question. You can Google it. How to link two Docker containers. I'm audible, right? Is there any background voice?
No, no, no.
Okay. Let me attach the adapter. Just give me a moment. Okay. So if you see there is a command.
I think
Okay, come
command
down,
like
come down, come down,
link we can use, I guess.
come down, come down. Yeah. Take the note this. Okay, come down, come down. Yeah, whether you did you Google it? If you Google it, just try to paste the command in the chart.
Yeah.
Okay, I will show the all answers which we have discussed in this video in the next mock interview. If you want that, you need to like this video, and the target will be 50 to 100 likes. Then only this second part will be updated. Whoever watching the video. Yes, I like why you have unshared the screen. It's not for you. It's for audience. Why you have unshared the screen? Now I will stop the recording. The second part will be continued.